So I'm trying to connect to my local MySQL database server here, and it seems that I've forgotten the password. So if I enter the password, it says access denied for user root using password. Yes, because I don't remember the password. So resetting the password here is quite simple. The first step is just create a new file, call it init.txt, and the contents should be just the reset password command. Here you can enter any command. I'll just leave it as it is. Now keep in mind that I have these single quotes here and single quotes here and here. Once you have your init.txt file ready, just copy it and open your Explorer, move it to your C drive. Now this move is not completely mandatory. I'm just moving here because the path here is easier because this is just inside C drive, right? Okay, now once you've done this, go back to your MySQL data directory. So it is inside program data. Now by default, the program data file is hidden. So what you can do is click on view, go over show and click on hidden items. As you can see, it's gone now. If you do it again, click on hidden items, it will be visible. Now go inside program data and scroll down till you see MySQL. Go inside MySQL, go inside MySQL Server 8.0 or whatever version you have, and here you will see this my.ini file. So now what you need to do is copy this path. Okay, press your Windows key and type cmd. Now you need to run this as administrator. It might work without administrator in your version, but just to be safe so that it works for everybody, run as administrator, and here enter this command mysqld space double dash defaults file and then enter 2 and then equals to and then 2 quotes and then paste the path, this path that you had just copied, one more forward slash, backward slash, and then the name of your init file, that is this my.ini file, my.ini. Okay, and now double dash init dash file equals to double quotes again and then c colon slash init.txt. This is the file which had our password. Okay, now before running this command, we need to make sure that the current instance of MySQL is stopped, otherwise this won't run. So to stop the current instance, press your Windows key and type services. Click on services, scroll down till you find MySQL, or you can just press M and you'll be taken to the services that start with M. Click on MySQL 80. Here you will have your own version. If you are watching it when MySQL 8.4 was released, it might be MySQL 8.4 or 9.4 or whatever your version is. Just right click on it and click on stop, and now here hit enter and this command will run. So once you've run this command, you can use the password that you've set in the init.txt file to log in. To check, just press your Windows key and type cmd, hit enter and type mysql u root -p, hit enter, enter the command that is admin, and as you can see we are logged in. Now we can close this, we can close this too, and now we can start the service. Now if you were getting some error like path not found or mysqld or mysql not found, wait till the end, I'll show you how you can fix that too. Okay, so once you've started the service, you can just open Workbench again, enter or type admin admin and now click OK, and now you are inside the server. Okay, so if your mysqld or mysql commands were not being read, what you can do is go to your installation directory, not here, inside program files, inside mysql, inside mysql server, and inside bin. So you need to run those commands from here. So what you can do is you can just press your Windows key, open command prompt, run as administrator, and browse to that directory. Okay, so what you can do is just to cd and then copy this, paste this, and now enter your mysqld commands and they will be run. So this is how you can reset the password in MySQL Workbench or MySQL Server in general. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.